Okay, this is not a paid endorsement. This is just as a user showing how I do it. We have created some, and we'll skip that. All right, we're going to go into the graphics creator, and we're going to cover an issue that I was wanting to cover. All right, if we create our own design, brand new design, and we format the canvas, there's no easy choices of specific sizes. So now we are going to make one that's video resolution 16 by 9, which is 1920 by 1080. It's your standard HD size. Alright, so now we want to create a template. So what we'll do is we'll save as, and this is called blank 1080p, and the set is whatever, and that's just what I do. I call most of mine set name 777. Alright, so now we're going to come here. We're going to make one that is 1024 by 768. Alright, so now we can file, save, and this is blank 1024. And the set is whatever you want it to be, which mine is 777. Alright, so now when I first go into the program, we're going to quit this. So you had already created those, so now we are going to open the program from scratch to where you get the main screen. Alright, so now we're going to actually go to the one that we created by clicking this and going into your own designs, which is 777 for me. And we have a blank 1024 if I wanted to do that one. Or if we go into it, we can choose the blank 1080p. Alright, so let's format canvas. See, it's already the right size. So that's pretty good. And that way we can create one that's already the size that we wanted. So that should work.